will not save in my local drive. So I need some Excel, some MCP. So now I will just select, say, Excel MCP, okay? And I will just tell this guy that please, please, please write, write, write above information in Excel, in Excel, in my D drive, in my D drive, in my D drive. Give any name of your choice. So let's see it is what it does. So see, it has created this file, top novels list, on your D drive. It contains a table of 5 popular novels with their summaries and popularity information. So see, so MCP has worked